Shelly! I'm wearing green for you, Shelly, because you wear green in your videos. I'm gonna miss you, Shelly, because you're the pro. I cut my hair just for you. Shelly, good luck with the rest of the contest. I know you'll do great. But I wanted to tell you, I know you're listening to all that Animal Collective and shit. You should really check out this guy, Ravi Shankar. He plays the sitar. You're gonna love it, Shelly! Totes! Totes, girl! This song is for you. Oh, girl, shit's about to get really real on the reality show. Girl, you need to really... Girl, I know you can do it. I believe in you. Okay? Totes.